In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini. Google Gemini is a powerful AI platform from Google that excels at understanding language, generating creative content, working with text, images, audio, and video, and digging deep into research across Google Apps. Whether you're writing, analyzing, or building, it's designed to help you move faster with confidence. To get started, open gemini.google.com or access Gemini features inside apps like Bard, Google Docs, Gmail, and Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account so your experience is personalized and your drafts can be saved where you work. Once you're in, you can interact through a chat interface. Type a question or a clear instruction, and Gemini will respond in natural language. If the feature is available in your region, you can also upload images or videos for Gemini to analyze or to inspire new content. Voice input may be supported as well, which is handy when you're on the go. If the first response isn't perfect, refine your prompt or ask Gemini to adjust tone, length, or detail. Gemini can create a wide range of content. Ask it to draft emails, blog posts, scripts, stories, or even code snippets. Provide a short brief, and it can generate images, videos, or storyboards from your text prompts. For research, request summaries with visuals and reference sources so you can quickly verify information and understand context. A helpful tip: include the audience, goal, and constraints in your prompt to improve results. When you need more powerful tools, try advanced features. Flash experimental thinking is designed for creative problem solving and brainstorming. Deep research helps with in-depth data extraction and summarization, turning complex material into structured insights. Inside Google Workspace apps, Gemini can assist with editing, drafting, and polishing your documents so you can iterate faster. If you're building, open Google AI Studio and the Gemini APIs to create custom AI apps or chatbots. You can experiment with multimodal models that understand text, images, and code together, enabling richer experiences without stitching multiple services. Gemini also powers everyday productivity. It helps drive the Bard chatbot, Gmail Smart Compose, and editing suggestions in Google Docs. You can automate routine tasks, schedule items from natural language requests, and extract insights without manual copy-paste. To wrap up, Gemini enhances productivity, creativity, and problem solving across multiple modalities. Beginners can start with Bard or the Gemini website, and developers or power users can dive into AI Studio and the APIs for customized experiences. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Gemini tips and tutorials.